when I started in the profession and I started in the in the reserves and the guard, military, I realized that I need to have the focus on something else. And that focus could be a number of things. Could be taking care of patients. It could be service in, your local Rotary, or service in the American Legion or the VFW or, things like that. And then realizing that it's really not about you, it's about them and what they need. And I don't know if I'm answering your question, but to me that's service above self is the theme of the Rotary, and that sort of fits.
Right now, we have huge fires going on in Nebraska. And one lady is that I know I'm communicating through Facebook and other means in this process. But one lady told me we're taking water down to the people that are working on the fires. Oh, that's huge service. She's not out there directly in the fire threat zone, but she's serving that area. Other people are sending money and food and equipment. That's still service, and we often forget that. I mean, so I agree.
Well, and let me to your point. Last week, and you may have heard about this, the first ever, and I see if I got this category right, the first ever F3 tornado in Michigan occurred about 25 miles from here, and it tore up a whole bunch of the town, and
right. F3s can be deadly without
yeah,
question.
oh yeah, and since that time, what's been really neat is the communities around that, particularly the Rotary Club, and other service area are stepping up and getting things over there and donating money, and that's where you put your money where your mouth is.
The true response to a disaster comes from the neighborhood. It comes from you, your family, your neighbors, your community, and then we can go to county and then state. Your true response happens by people that are there and present when it happens, and we need to be ready for that without question. And it sounds like your community that you're talking about right now took that to heart.
Absolutely.
And those people stood up and they said, we need to help one another. And I love that about neighbors and how neighbors help one another. We just have so much negativity in the news. We forget we have heroes all around us. And it takes a time of crisis sometimes to truly see that. Do you remember 9/11? Who doesn't?
Oh,
But 9/11 created such a community within the United States that I've never seen. I'm 67. You're a little bit older than me. I'm 67. But I have never seen our country come together like it did after 9/11, where everybody embraced everybody. It didn't matter what your religion was, what your color was, what your sexual orientation was. None of that mattered.